All right, so this is a fresh table. This we have this coming from Ibadan, we have this coming from Abuja, and we have this coming from Lagos and Abuja. And the tables have been named exactly the same way. Abuja, we have Lagos here, we have Abuja, we have Lagos, and we have Ibadan. And these are our service lists, for those products. So the first thing I want to do now in the process of analyzing this is to create the date table. So I'm going to call this date table, and then to create a date table, it's very simple. I'll just create January to December 2018. So let me call this date. I'll just do the first one, 112, and I'll drag it down to the end of the year. Okay, so we're already 2019, end of the year, we're almost there. All right, so that's the end of the year. Okay, so I'll change this to a table. I press Ctrl T, so I'll change that from 1 to 366. So I'll change that to a table, and that's it. So let me call this date.tbl so that it doesn't confuse me with other things. So with this now, I'm ready to model my data. So let me start with this table and say I'm going to summarize this with a pivot table. To make this easy, I'm going to add this to data model. I'm using Microsoft Excel 2016. So I'm going to add it to data model. You can see the date range is Ibadan. Adding this to data model, I can easily also add the other tables to the data model, and perform my analysis. So the data model is what really helps me to be able to analyze multiple tables, at the same time. So I'll say, okay, so let's allow that to roll. Okay, so you can see the pivot table is not here, but I don't want to analyze that because I'm not analyzing just a single table. I'm not trying to analyze multiple tables. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create relationships between this table, that's this table, and the service table and the data table. Because with the service table also, which has all the unique services, I can create a relationship, indirect relationship among these tables. And with this, so this date table contains unique values. The service table also contains unique values. So I'm going back to my pivot here. So under analyze, I say relationships. There are no relationships yet, so I say new. The first table I want to link is Abuja, and I have Abuja's dates. So I'm linking that to the dates table, and I have dates here. So say okay. So with this, I've created a relationship between Abuja, that's the date column in Abuja, and my dates table. I'm creating a second one from Abuja, and the service code against the service table, and the service code from the service table, and I'll say okay. All right, so the next one again, I'll do the same thing for the other places, Ibadan dates, and and the dates table. So it's picking that automatically now. All right, I'll say new again, Ibadan services, service code, service table, and service code. No, service table and service code. All right, new Abuja. Okay, Lagos. I think I've done Abuja, Lagos date, and the date table. All right, so you can see I have one more to do. I have Lagos service code, the service table, and the service code, and the service table. All right, so I've created 6 relationships now. So I have Abuja date and the date table date, Abuja service code. You can see the date table is linked to the 3 data sources, service table is linked to the 3 data sources. So if I am manipulating any of these tables, I can easily get data from this. So close this, and then with this now I'm ready to analyze multiple tables at once. So